Ever found yourself tangled in the labyrinth of installing a Windows server? Well, you're not alone. It can be a daunting task, but fear not, because we're here to guide you through it, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge to install a Windows server like a pro, so buckle up and let's get started. First off, you need to ensure you have the right hardware. For a smooth installation, your system needs to meet the minimum requirements set by Microsoft. These include a processor speed of 1.4 gigahertz, a minimum of 2 gigabytes of RAM, and at least 32 gigabytes of hard disk space. Step 2. Get your hands on the Windows Server ISO file. You can download it directly from the Microsoft website or purchase a physical copy. Once you have the ISO file, you can move on to the next step. Step 3. Burn the ISO file to a DVD or create a bootable USB drive. There are various tools available online to help you create a bootable USB drive. Pick one that suits your needs and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 4. Now it's time to boot your system from the DVD or USB drive. To do this, you need to change the boot order in the BIOS settings. Restart your computer, press the appropriate key to enter the BIOS, and change the boot order. Step 5. Once your system boots from the DVD or USB drive, the Windows Server installation process begins. Follow the on-screen instructions, select the appropriate options, and enter the product key when prompted. Step 6. Choose the type of installation you want. You can opt for a full installation or a server core installation. A full installation includes a graphical user interface, while a server core installation has a minimal interface and uses less system resources. Finally, Step 7. Configure your server. This includes setting up a password for the administrator account, configuring the network settings, and installing updates. And there you have it. 7 key steps to install a Windows server. To recap, make sure you have the right hardware, get the Windows Server ISO file, burn it to a DVD or create a bootable USB drive, boot your system from the DVD or USB drive, follow the on-screen installation instructions, choose the type of installation, and configure your server. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, don't be disheartened if you stumble along the way. Keep at it, and soon you'll be installing Windows servers like a champ. That's all for today, folks. Stay tuned for more tech-savvy tutorials, and before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Until next time, keep on teching.